Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel and today I'll show you how to delete BeReal app from your device. So first we should just find the BeReal application on your home screen or in the apps menu, and then just hold for a while the application and tap to remove app. If you use the Android device, you should tap to uninstall an icon. Then just tap to remove icon and click here delete app, not remove from home screen, because you will stay with this application. In the apps menu, just tap to delete app, confirm your action by click to delete, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.